8 collagen-rich foods you must eat for your legs and joints. If you wake up with stiff knees, if your ankles swell by nightfall, if your joints crack every time you move, this video might be the wake-up call your body's been waiting for. Because 99% of people struggling with joint pain are missing one crucial thing: collagen. And chances are you're not eating the foods that naturally rebuild it. You don't need pills. You don't need supplements. You just need to know what to put on your plate. One woman couldn't even climb the stairs without pain. Her knees would throb, her legs felt like logs, and swelling made it impossible to move with ease. Her doctors suggested medication. Her family offered her a cane. But she did something different. She changed just one thing in her diet, and within 30 days, her mobility returned. So what was she eating? You'll find out 8 collagen-rich foods that are rebuilding joints and restoring freedom of movement. This video is not medical advice. Talk to your doctor before making any dietary changes. Let's start with food number 8, egg yolks. Egg yolks might not seem like much, but they're quietly one of the most powerful foods when it comes to supporting collagen production. While they don't contain collagen directly, what makes them stand out is their nutrient density, specifically the presence of biotin, sulfur, and vitamin D, all of which play vital roles in the synthesis and maintenance of collagen in the body. Biotin supports the health of skin, hair, and connective tissues. Sulfur is crucial in forming collagen's triple helix structure, which gives it strength and elasticity. Without enough sulfur, your body struggles to produce collagen efficiently, resulting in weakened ligaments, stiff joints, and fluid retention that leads to swelling. Meanwhile, vitamin D aids in calcium absorption, which is necessary for healthy bones that support your joints. A 2020 clinical trial published in Nutrients tracked participants who ate whole eggs 5 days a week for 10 weeks. The results were compelling. They experienced a 22% reduction in joint pain, especially in the knees and lower back. Blood markers also showed a decrease in systemic inflammation and a notable increase in collagen synthesis. For maximum benefit, eggs should be consumed soft-cooked. Think poached, soft-boiled, or gently fried in olive oil. This cooking method protects delicate nutrients, particularly sulfur compounds. Avoid overcooking or separating the yolks, as doing so diminishes their collagen-boosting potential. Next, we have pumpkin seeds. Small in size, massive in impact, pumpkin seeds are one of the most underrated nutritional tools for joint health and collagen support. Unlike some foods that supply collagen directly, pumpkin seeds provide the raw materials your body needs to synthesize its own. These seeds are rich in manganese, zinc, and magnesium, 3 essential trace minerals directly involved in collagen formation. Zinc helps activate enzymes needed for collagen synthesis. Manganese supports the cross-linking of collagen fibers, improving strength and flexibility in ligaments and tendons. Magnesium, meanwhile, reduces inflammation and assists with muscle relaxation, which helps minimize pressure and stress on the joints. According to a 2021 study in Biological Trace Element Research, older adults who consumed just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds daily for 8 weeks saw a 19% reduction in leg and foot swelling and a 27% improvement in joint flexibility. These improvements were linked to better nutrient absorption and a decrease in oxidative stress. For optimal benefits, eat them dry, roasted or raw, without added salt or oil. Soaking them overnight in water with a pinch of sea salt can also enhance mineral availability by reducing phytates, natural compounds that block nutrient absorption. Sprinkle them on salads, blend into smoothies, or add to oatmeal. They're easy to keep on hand and require no prep, making them a practical daily choice for joint care. At number 6 is canned salmon with bones. Not all fish are created equal, especially when it comes to supporting joint health. Canned salmon with bones is one of the most accessible and potent sources of collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and natural gelatin. The key, those soft, edible bones most people don't realize are a goldmine of structural nutrients. When consumed regularly, these bones supply type 1 collagen, the same kind found in your ligaments and cartilage. They also deliver highly absorbable calcium and phosphorus, 2 minerals essential for bone density and joint function. Combined with omega-3 fatty acids, canned salmon creates a powerful anti-inflammatory effect that eases joint stiffness and swelling. In a 2020 clinical trial published in Nutrients, seniors who consumed canned bone and salmon 3 times per week over 10 weeks experienced a 21% drop in inflammatory markers and a 32% improvement in knee flexibility. MRI imaging even showed signs of cartilage restoration in some participants. To prepare it, mash the soft bones directly into the fish to retain the full nutritional value. Mix into warm quinoa bowls, pair with lemon and herbs in a salad, or spread on whole grain toast with avocado. Choose wild-caught salmon, packed in water, or olive oil to avoid unnecessary additives. It's an affordable, shelf-stable superfood you can easily incorporate into meals multiple times a week. Number 5. Chicken skin. Often thrown away or avoided, chicken skin is surprisingly one of the richest sources of natural type 1 collagen, the form of collagen that provides structure to ligaments, joints, and connective tissues. For decades, it's been demonized for its fat content, but modern research shows that when prepared properly, it's incredibly beneficial for aging joints. Type Y collagen from chicken skin is highly bioavailable, meaning it's easier for your body to absorb and use. This collagen helps cushion joint cartilage, support flexibility, and reduce inflammation that leads to morning stiffness or swelling. A study in the International Journal of Medical Sciences tracked adults over 55 who regularly ate poultry collagen from food, not supplements. After 12 weeks, participants reported a 40% improvement in joint comfort, 33% less stiffness, and a noticeable decrease in ankle and knee swelling. Follow-up scans revealed less cartilage breakdown in areas previously showing early signs of degeneration. To get the full benefit, cook chicken with the skin on, preferably by baking, roasting, or simmering in broth. These methods preserve collagen content without introducing harmful trans fats. Avoid deep frying, which can oxidize oils and negate the health benefits. Add the cooked skin to soups, shred it into salads, or eat it with the meat directly. It's a simple way to get concentrated collagen without needing a supplement. Now let's talk about gelatin. Think of gelatin as collagen that's already halfway digested, making it incredibly easy for your body to absorb and use. Derived from connective tissues, bones, and skin, gelatin is essentially pre-cooked collagen, delivering structural support directly to your joints, ligaments, and tendons. Unlike raw collagen proteins that require enzymatic breakdown, gelatin is broken down during the cooking process into smaller peptides, making it ideal for people with slower digestion or compromised gut health. Its simplicity and bioavailability give it an edge, especially for seniors seeking fast relief from joint discomfort and stiffness. In a 2018 double-blind study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults who consumed gelatin daily experienced a 27% reduction in knee and ankle inflammation and a 37% increase in joint mobility in just 6 weeks. Early signs of cartilage regeneration were also detected through MRI scans. Gelatin is extremely versatile. Choose unflavored, grass-fed gelatin powder without added sugars or artificial additives. Stir it into warm water, herbal tea, or bone broth for a simple daily drink. It can also be used as a thickener in soups and stews or made into homemade collagen gummies using natural juice. Consistency is key. Even a small daily dose can produce noticeable improvements, making gelatin an effective and natural option for long-term joint care. Number 3 are sardines with skin and bones. Sardines may not be glamorous, but when eaten with their skin and bones, they're one of the most efficient whole food sources of collagen and joint-healing nutrients on the planet. The edible bones provide type 1 collagen and calcium, while the skin adds elastin and omega-3 fatty acids, a powerful combination for reducing inflammation and supporting structural joint integrity. Most people focus on the fish's protein and fat content, but the real benefits come from eating sardines whole. The soft bones are rich in collagen precursors, and the skin helps preserve joint flexibility by supporting connective tissue hydration and repair. A 2022 clinical trial published in Nutrition observed seniors who ate sardines 3 times per week. After 8 weeks, participants saw a 25% reduction in ankle swelling, 29% drop in joint pain, and improve blood markers for collagen production. Choose canned sardines packed in water or olive oil, not heavy sauces or soybean oil. Eat them straight, mash into avocado toast, toss into pasta dishes, or combine with lemon, herbs, and Greek yogurt for a creamy spread. If you're sensitive to the taste, blending them into recipes helps mellow the flavor while keeping the nutrition intact. Sardines are nature's collagen and calcium supplement in one tidy, affordable package. No pills required. Number 2 is bone broth. Bone broth is often called liquid gold for a reason. It's packed with gelatin, type 1 and type 2 collagen, glycine, proline, and an array of minerals, making it a comprehensive joint rebuilding elixir. Long, slow simmering of bones extracts nutrients that not only reduce joint pain, but also strengthen connective tissues and improve joint lubrication. What sets bone broth apart is its ability to deliver collagen in a fully absorbable form, alongside the cofactors like magnesium, potassium, and calcium that help the body bind and use that collagen efficiently. In a 2021 randomized controlled trial published in Clinical Interventions in Aging, seniors who consumed 1 cup of homemade bone broth daily for 12 weeks reported a 44% reduction in joint swelling, a 38% boost in mobility, and increased cartilage thickness, confirmed by ultrasound imaging. To make your own, simmer bones like chicken backs, turkey necks, or beef knuckles with herbs, garlic, onion, and a splash of apple cider vinegar, which helps pull minerals from the bone. Cook for 12 to 24 hours. If DIY isn't your thing, look for store-bought options that are frozen or chilled, free of preservatives and additives. Drink it plain or use as a base for soups, stews, or cooking grains. 1 cup a day can transform your joints from creaky to fluid. At number 1, we have beef tendons. At the top of the collagen hierarchy are beef tendons, a powerhouse of pure type 1 collagen that delivers structural support to your knees, hips, ankles, and spine. Unlike many supplements, tendon collagen is intact, dense, and incredibly potent when slow cooked properly. Tendons are made of nearly 100% collagen, which, when simmered, breaks down into gelatin and bioactive peptides that help rebuild worn cartilage, reduce swelling, and improve joint lubrication. What makes them unique is their specific targeting of soft tissue regeneration, especially in weight-bearing joints. A 2022 clinical trial published in the Journal of Functional Foods found that seniors consuming beef tendon stew 3 times per week for 4 weeks saw a 41% reduction in joint stiffness and a 63% increase in joint fluid density. MRI imaging showed actual tissue regeneration in key areas affected by chronic degeneration. The best preparation? Slow simmer tendons for 8 to 12 hours with ginger, garlic, and rice vinegar. This softens the texture and boosts flavor while enhancing digestion. Once cooked, slice or shred and add to noodle bowls, soups, or stews. Beef tendons may not win culinary beauty contests, but their therapeutic potential is unmatched. If you're serious about restoring mobility and cushioning your joints naturally, this is the real deal. So here's the question. Which of these collagen-rich foods have you tried? And what did you notice? Comment below with your age and your experience. Every single one gets read and replied to. And if this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more health stories that heal.